My name's David. I'm a retired pastor and have been trading, or as I would say, fiddling around trading for over 16 years. And it wasn't until I met Adrian that I have found that I've now been able to develop a system that fits my personality. And that's the one question I've had now answered after 16 years of searching around and losing money in the market. Now I've been able to develop a system that fits me, I'm happy with. It has pluses and minuses, but that's what trading's all about. And so I can't say enough about how Adrian has helped through the coaching, through the step-by-step videos and course. The whole aspect of the course is nothing short of excellent, really, because it goes into all the details, and then what you don't know or you need to know, and you have questions, you ask Adrian, and he helps you to get the answers and send you on your way so you can be happy in your trading. So I highly recommend what Adrian is doing. I have no doubt in highly recommending the Enlightened Stock Traders Certification Program that Adrian runs, and you certainly will be educated to be able to trade successfully in the market, and you'll be one of the 5% who will succeed in the market.